Now we are knowing about the basic strokes for alphabets, how it comes from the basic strokes. First we have to know about the A to Z, small alphabet from A to Z. Okay, listen, from bottom line to top line you have to draw. Remember, this is similar to that of our alphabet S. Okay, it's a horizontal position. S, you have to draw the S, horizontal S. Okay, from this stroke we have to write A. So first you put the basic stroke, again you have to draw one oval shape, then complete the alphabet A. Okay, once again draw the basic stroke, it's similar to that of S. Again you put one oval shape, okay, then complete the A. Okay, now while you write any alphabet, don't take out your hand. Here also you observe the spacing and the shape. Okay, this segment it's similar to that of here, same proportionately you have to draw. A also, observe these spaces, it is similar, same size. Okay, that's only we have to make it an alphabet very beautiful. Then C, similar from these basics to C, from A and C. Then D. Okay, D. Now listen, this slanting line which it comes from our previous class basic stroke, that we have to draw first class from the ascender to bottom. Remember that, children? So apply this basic stroke. You have to while you write the D. Okay, A, C, D. Then G. Okay, A and C it touch only top line and bottom line, and D and G it's vary from one. D from ascender, top, bottom, it does not touch the descender, but G from top, bottom and descender. Okay, then G. Then Q. Okay, draw a stroke, make it oval shape, then slanting, touch the descender line and draw the stroke. Q. A, C, D, G, Q. Then from the stroke X. Don't take out your hand. You start from here, ends in here. Don't take out your hand. Just and observe the spacing also. So draw a basic stroke. S stroke comes down, touch the bottom line and then touch the top line and ends in bottom line. This is X. Okay, A, C, D, G, Q, X and one more alphabet, that is O. Okay, draw a stroke, O. It also comes only top line and bottom line. So from this stroke, I have to write once again A, C, D, G, Q, X and N-O. Understand? Then next alphabet formation, before you going this, you have to draw another one more basic stroke, that is from the ascender to bottom slanting line, and make one curve here. It's similar to that of elephant's trunk. யானை தும்பிக்க சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நம்ம பேசிக் ஸ்ட்ரோக், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்ட்ரோக், make it a little bend. It should be blunt, it should not be sharp like this. This is wrong. Okay, don't do this. Okay, blunt shape, so slanting and bend. This is adding with one more basic stroke. Start from bottom to ascender, just exactly cross out only in the top line. These two are basic strokes. Listen, slanting line and bend. One more basic stroke, that is from the bottom line, touch the ascender line, only cross out at the top line and ends in again in the bottom line. Okay, observe, listen here. These two strokes to form alphabet, that is L. Okay, these two strokes L. Next one is B. So first you have to draw the basic stroke L, B, and again H. Okay, from these basic stroke, understand? L, B, H, and one more thing is K. Okay, then the last one is F. Observe F. It is in among these A to Z alphabets, F is a special letter because it touches all the four lines: ascender, top line, bottom line, and descender line. So listen, F, it comes from the similar basic stroke, that from this one is bottom line to ascender, then it touches the descender, again it comes top. Okay, L, B, H, K, and F. Okay, so first this stroke we wrote A, C, D, G, H, A, C, D, G, Q, X, O, and this one is L, B, H, K, and F. F is called the special letter because it touches the all the four lines. You have to practice well. It will come promptly. Okay, from all these lines. Once again I have to write for F, from the bottom line, ascender line, then comes down descender line, and again top line. Okay, then next one is one more basic stroke. Listen here, that is simply it comes between only on the top and bottom line. How it looks like? It's look like a teacher's tick. You are knowing that teacher is putting correction tick. Okay, then similar you have to draw small basic tick. From this stroke we have to form alphabet. First one is, first you draw this stroke, and from this stroke you have to write I. Okay, understand? Then again you draw this stroke. From this you have to make it U. Alphabet U. Then you have to draw again this stroke. Okay, then I, U, Y. Okay, this line is similar to that of our basic previous first class stroke, slanting line. Understand? then I U Y, then from this stop, then draw J. Okay, listen here, J, while you write J, stop, it comes down, touch the descender line, again it cross out the bottom line. This crossing is exactly at the bottom line only, it don't upward or lower. Okay, exactly it cross out at the bottom line. This is J. Okay, then next one is T. Okay, write the basic stroke, T. So these kinds of stroke we are writing alphabets A series letters. This one is L series letters. This one is from this stroke I U Y and J T. One more letter from this stroke, P. P for parrot, that P. Write the stroke, comes down, and observe here in this letter P, this portion it resembles to that of our H. Observe it while writing P. Then this portion exactly similar to that of our H. Okay, so I U Y J T and P. Next letter from another stove. This is the stove. Okay, similar to that of your grandfather walking stick. Okay, வச்சிருப்பாங்களே கையில் அந்த மாதிரி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Slanting from the top line to bottom line. Let first draw this, then make it as a loop. It is easy, very easy. Otherwise you draw from similar to this. Okay, from this stove the alphabets we have to make, that is M. Okay, draw basic stove, then make it M, then draw N, M, N. Next again you have to write P also from this stove. Previous tick stove we wrote P, another P here also from this stove. These three letters, draw a basic stove, M, again N and P. Understand? So next one, the two more alphabets V and W, it does not have any basic stove, but it has some rule, writing rule. Okay, let me see V and W, how it comes, straight and slanting. Simple, that is V, but it has the rule. You have to, while you writing, you say in word straight, slanting. V, similar to that of W, straight, slanting, straight, slanting. Okay, understand? Straight, slanting, straight, slanting, that is W. Okay, then E, it does not have a stop, but it comes only between the top line and bottom line. Okay, understand? E. Then S, it's draw like a duck shape. While you draw drawing pictures, small birds, you similar to duck. While you draw a duck, okay, this shape S. Okay, then R for rose, R. And this alphabet you observe three important points. This corner, it should be always blunt. It should not be sharp. It should be blunt. Then these spacing should be even, similar, same size in this space. It's a downward space. Okay. Observe it. Blunt and spacing similar. This is R. Then next alphabet, that is Z. Comes between top line, bottom line and descender line. This first stroke also, it should be blunt in shape, and don't take out of your hand. That is Z. Okay. So all these alphabets from V, W, E, S, R comes only top line and bottom line. Isn't only touches the top line, bottom line and descender line. So that's all the alphabet. Again I am going to write from A to Z with reference of the previous letter strokes. Okay. Listen here. Now we are going to write from first alphabet A. Where it comes from, that stroke S. Remember that S. Draw a oval shape and complete the A. Okay. Then B. B, it starts from the L series letter. So you have to draw L. That is B. Understand? Then C. It's similar to that of A. So draw S shape and C. Okay. Then D. A, C, D. Okay. Similar this to. Okay children. A, B, C, D and next one is E. It does not stroke but touch only top line and bottom line. F. You know that's a special letter. It touch all the four lines. Ascender line, top line, bottom line and descender line. Okay. Then now we are write F. Observe it. Where it comes from? It from L series letter. So starting stroke is this one. Touch the descender line. Again it touch the top line. F. Okay. Then G. S stop G. Okay children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next one is H. It comes from B and F letter. L series. Okay. H. Draw a stop and H. Next I. It comes from tick stroke. I. Then J. That's also similar. Stop J. Next K. K from L series. So draw K. Okay. Then L. Same thing. L. Okay. Then M. It comes from walking stick stroke. M. Okay. Remember it. M and N. Next N. Same stroke. M, N. Then O. From this A series stroke. So O. M, N, O. Okay. Then P. P comes from tick stroke. So P. Okay. Then Q. From S to Q. And R. Here we observe that this should be blunt and same length, spacing. R. Yes. Understand? Then T. Tick stroke. T. Okay. Then U also comes from tick stroke. U. Okay children, U. Then V, what we say already, straight, slanting, V. Then W, straight, slanting, straight, slanting. Okay children. Then X, S stroke and X. Okay, then 2 more letters only remaining. I have to write the top side of the board. X, that is Y and Z. Listen here. Y is a tick stroke. Y and Z. Here we wrote this Z. So that's it. How we form the alphabets A to Z from various kinds of basic simple strokes. So you have to draw the simple stroke and form the alphabets. It will be make it your handwriting very beautiful. Next we have to learn how to we join these one alphabet to the next alphabet. That's also some rules that we will go to the next chapter, double joiners. Okay children, thank you.